I have a lot of vintage jewelry, meaning lots and lots of jewelry. This is the necklace that I'm working with today. These are glass crystals. They're blue with kind of a purple tint with an AB finish, which is Aurora Borealis. And I'm trying to find something in this tote of neutrals to go with it. These would be cute for Valentine's Day, but that's not what I'm looking for. This is mostly pearls in here, but I do have some vintage plastic beads and a little bit of this and that. That's kind of cool, but not what I'm looking for. Oh wait, what's this? That might work. I could take this beautiful crystal glass necklace apart and work with these. Put these two together. I think that will work. They'll be pretty. Today I'm going to turn two necklaces into earrings. So let's get started. Let's take a look at this necklace and see what we've got here. I'm wondering where it's made. You can see it's missing some stones. One of the reasons it's in my pile of necklaces that hasn't been listed to sell. I can't read anything on it. I don't read any country on it. I don't find any maker's mark. But it is beautiful, isn't it? Let's take this apart and see what we've got here. I can see they used nylon. You see the nylon here? Nylon cord, string. I may not have to take both of them apart right now. Let's start with the one and see what we've got. First thing I do is sort it. These ones don't have much color from the side. These are basically little filler beads. They really don't have a whole lot going for them. I like these the best. Set those aside. Set the larger ones aside. Set these aside. They're still usable, but I'm not sure I'm going to use them for these earrings. So you know every pair of earrings needs two of each bead because they're a pair. So let's just see right now with one strand how many pairs of earrings we can get. Whoop, get back over here. So it looks like we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of earrings. I purchased this necklace at a garage sale. It's also glass beads, and you can see the metallic look to it, the Aurora Borealis look to it. Or I guess they could just be fire polished. Has a twist clasp, which I'm not crazy about. I've never liked those, but we're going to take them off here anyway. I've been planning to make this necklace into something else ever since I bought it. Put these back in order. Need 2 for each pair of earrings. They're rolling away from me on this board. Okay, let's set these aside. These are 2-inch, but 1.5-inch probably would work fine too. Let's experiment and see what I can come up with here. If I put nothing in between, if I just use the beads and no spacer bead, let's see what it looks like. They're small, they're dainty, they're pretty. Let's bring those little spacer beads in that I said didn't have a lot of color. Yeah, they really don't. There's not much to those. Even if I put this on top, yeah, it's not doing it for me. So we're not going to be using those at all. I have some other components here. I have some other spacer beads that I can use. Some of them have large holes, so I'm not sure if I want to use them or not. Like this one here. Has a fairly large hole. I have some little bead caps that might work. Oh, there's two different kind in here. One's tall and one's short. I don't know if you can see that. I haven't been to a jewelry and bead show for a very long time, so my supplies on some of these are getting low. Still need something. Try some little silver plated beads. A lot of times I put these at the bottom before I put the pretty bead. It's not too bad. Let's try it with the other one. This one's flatter. It's not too bad. I'm not sure which one I like better. Maybe I should have one of each side by side. Let's do that. Okay, which one do you like better? The taller cap bead or the flat cap bead? Which one do you like better? I have to say, I think I like the taller one. I don't know. I just think I do, so that's what I'm gonna go with. Put these away and see how many of the tall ones I have. That might determine how many I make, or I make two different styles. But it's nice when I can just do one style and have one listing with quantity. Yes, I do sell my jewelry, and you'll find a link in the description below this video for our eBay store, Avante Avenue, where you will find a category for our Avante jewelry. Okay, I think I'm good. Let's put these away. I always try to keep things cleaned up as I go. Do I want to put another small silver bead, silver plated bead on top? I think that's going to be it. I think that's how I'm going to do these. Okay, let's do it. Let's prepare 2 of these. I've got beads running everywhere. This board doesn't have a lot of grip to it. Get some ear wires. The ear wires are silver plated, lead and nickel free. And I think I need to get these little beads back into their little salt dish. Yes, this little glass container here is a vintage salt. I think there's another name for it too, but they used to put salt in these, but I have my beads in these. Same thing here. This is an old salt dish. Salts, maybe they're called. First thing I do, and these head pins are a little longer than what I need, but it's what I have on hand. I just push all the beads down to the end, and then I put my thumbnail, I guess you could say, over top the small bead and bend this at a right angle. And then I take my pliers here and I just cut it down to about 1/4 of an inch. Kind of angle that away so it doesn't go flying and hurt yourself there. Now, some people will make the loop and then add it to the ear wire. I've been doing this long enough that I make the loop, put the ear wire on, and close up the loop. They may not be perfectly round. Bring it together. And sometimes I give it a little pinch there. So again, right angle, cut this back, get a hold of it, put the ear wire on, and close it up. So there you go. There's the first pair of earrings. I know this little easel, these velvet easels, jewelry easels, earring easels, are like impossible to keep the lint off of them, even though I lint roller it all the time. So what do you think? 2 vintage necklaces combined, and this is going to turn, so it's going to reflect different ways. And yeah, there we go. I just need to make the rest of them. This one could have been a little more round. I might redo this head pin here. I think they look pretty. They look elegant. Let's make some more. 2 head pins. The little silver plated round beads are 3 millimeter, quite tiny. 2 blue round faceted crystal beads. the taller of the bead caps that I had. They're small, but they're taller. The crystals with the AB finish. And 2 more little 3mm silver plated beads. We have our 2 ear wires. Pushing this down, make sure it's in place. Bend this at a right angle down to about 1/4 of an inch. Try to always pick it up in the same exact position on your tool. I kind of eye it and I kind of know where I want to be. Give it a curl, slip on the ear wire, curl it and close it. 2 pairs of earrings down. 3 pair done. I'll just finish these up off camera and then we'll see what else we get into. I decided to make 6 pair, and with the leftover beads I think I'm going to try making 1 or 2 pairs of fancier and longer earrings. So I stopped at 6 on these. Let's see what we can do with these. And perhaps some more of the blue crystals. All right, I'm going to set these aside. Let's start with 2 of the 3mm beads on the bottom. The largest crystals in the necklace, and I still have all of these left too. You know, I still have quite a few left. What do we want to do here? What happens if we put blue ones in between? Ooh, those are pretty. Fancy. They're a lot longer, and I have these smallest ones. Ooh, those are really long. But if I only use 2 of the larger ones, I can get 2 pairs of earrings out of these. Maybe. Maybe. I do not like that. Don't like that one bit. Let's get some other spacers out. I don't know what size these are. They look like they're about maybe 6mm. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. The only thing is I only have 2 of the smallest. Oh, wait. I'm forgetting about these medium size over here. Yeah, I forgot about those. Are off to the side. That might do it. Some women like to wear short earrings, some like long. What do you think? If I do that, I could make 2 pair of the longer ones. And then these just set aside. Should I go with it? Doesn't have any of the bead caps or anything. I can try one on here on the top. No, I just don't like it. Just don't like it. You know, sometimes you just have to go with your gut. But I think these are doable. Let's put one on an ear wire. Let's finish it all the way and see if we like it. Let's go ahead and finish a pair so we can really see what they look like. Let's check these on a little earring display and see what we've got here. They're pretty. They're very sparkly. What do you think? Do you like the shorter earrings or the longer earrings? I'm going to make 1 more pair of long because I have enough stuff to do it. I think it's getting windy outside. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but I'm hearing the wind pick up. There we go. I've got another pair, so I have 2 pair of the long ones. So this is what I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair of the small earrings with 2 crystals per earring. And I have 2 pair of the larger dangles. And all I have left of that 1 strand The one strand is these few beads, quite a few. Will they all make it? No. Quite a few of the blue. And these here that really just don't have much sparkle. They were just very plain glass beads without a lot going on. And I still have this strand left, so I can make more as they sell. In the description box below this video, the link will take you to our Avante Avenue eBay store and directly to the page, the category that I have set up for Avante Jewelry. If you like these kind of videos, we appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you soon.